Tell me about that incident where some violent incident that happened where now people are saying that your party was involved in attacks on the BJP. So who are the people? And then there are the communists involved. They said that, there is the alliance is on its breaking point. So who's at fault here now?
I don't think we should react to these small issues. These are very small issues. There are communists who've been ruling Tripura for 35 years. And before that again for 10 years. So obviously in the DNA of politics, there is communism. And you may change your party, you may change your flag, but there are traces of communist behavior in almost all political activities, whether it is Bengal, whether it is Kerala, or whether it is Tripura. People who were in Communist Party at one point, today have crossed over and become Mandal presidents for BJP. Some people have crossed over and become members in my party. Some of them have crossed over and become members in the Congress party. Joining party does not mean that you change your thinking. And the communists have always used violence as a tactic of intimidation, rigging. And these traces are still there. It will take another 5-10 years of non-communist rule for Tripura to come out of this cycle. Even in Bengal, you see the same thing. There is no communist left in Bengal. Mamta is there and BJP. But they fight like the Communist Party has just changed their flag. And now they are in BJP and in Trinamool.
Yeah.
So
their DNA just doesn't change regardless of which party they go to.
It takes time.
It takes time.